In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cloudflare to N8N. Setting up these connections can seem daunting, but by following these clear steps, you'll be able to accomplish this task smoothly. First, let's access the credentials in N8N's interface. Once you have N8N open, take a look at the left sidebar. There, you'll find a tab labeled Credentials. That's where we want to go. Clicking on it will open up a new window dedicated to managing the various credentials you'll need to interact with third-party services through N8N. The next thing we're going to do is create new credentials. You'll see an option here called Create New. Click on that. This button is your gateway to setting up any new external service that you might want to link to N8N. Now, from the available options, select Cloudflare as the credential type. This tells N8N exactly which service you're going to be interacting with. For the authentication method, we're going to use an API token. So choose API token when prompted. API tokens are a secure way to verify your identity when connecting applications like N8N with services like Cloudflare. They work by allowing specific actions without revealing your password. To get this API token, you'll want to log in to your Cloudflare account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the account area labeled My Profile. Here, you'll find all sorts of options for customizing how you interact with Cloudflare, but for today's purpose, we want to focus on API tokens. Click on API tokens to proceed. Now, you'll want to create a new token, so click on Create Token. Cloudflare offers a variety of templates that assist in this process. You'll see an option labeled Edit Cloudflare Workers. This template typically has the necessary permissions you need. Alternatively, if your use case requires specific permissions, you can create a custom token. Choose the method that best fits your needs and proceed to generate the token. Once you have your API token, make sure to copy it securely. This token is like a golden key. It allows N8N to interact with your Cloudflare account, so keeping it secure is crucial. Let's head back to N8N, where we'll input this token. Go back to your credential configuration in N8N, and you'll find a space where you can input this token. Paste your API token into the designated field. Double-check to ensure that you've pasted the token correctly. This step is crucial for a seamless connection. Finally, to wrap things up, you'll want to save the credentials. Just hit Save, and you're done. You've now successfully connected Cloudflare to N8N. With these credentials safely stored, N8N can now interact with your Cloudflare account, allowing you to automate tasks and processes like a pro. With that, you're all set up. Congratulations on completing this setup, and stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you make the most out of N8N.